Okay, so guys, you can see now compared to how it was when I first showed you guys the video. So you can see that the waves, as the tide has moved back very very well. So I can start my topographical survey now. So we have a structure in this front of this wall fence. We are constructing a dune core in front of this wall fence. So I want to do the spot height of this place, so they will know how to review their design. So, and I'll be using Hi-target for what I want to do. So let's go, guys. Let me show you. Let me take you there. So let me go to where my machine is. I've set it up already. Okay, so this is my Hi-target. This is the base. So I have the base here. So it's set already. Let me check. Okay, you can see. So it's set already. So and this is my rover. So let me quickly take you guys through. I'll power it. So I'm waiting for it to pop up itself. Okay, so I think it's ready. Let me go up. I want to see if I can adjust the brightness. Let me adjust the brightness. Okay. So I'll click this eye survey. Once I click it, so it's loading. So next is I'll come to project info. I'll come to project info. So I'll press new. I'm creating a new folder. So I will name it as, I will put the name of the project, T-Brass. So creator, I'll put my name. So I think I'm done. So I'll just press OK. And this is, I'm in Bayelsa State in Nigeria. So I'm using UTM WGS 84 zone 32 because it's Bayelsa. So we are using zone 32 here. So if it is like Lagos, the Lagos State, Ogun State, and some other states like that, so those ones fall under zone 31. So I'll just press OK. Okay, you said I should remove one character out of it. T-Brass. So I'll press OK. So it's creating the project already. So after that one, I'll go to device. So this is where I'll be setting my base and my rover. So I'll go to device. I'll now go to base. I'll click my base. So I'll click connect. So the serial number for my base is, it ends at 76. So I'll click 76. It says confirm connect to device. So I'll click yes. So it's already connected. So the base has been connected. So I'll go to, so I'll just press set. This one is preset already, so I don't need to adjust anything from this side. So I'll just press set. So it's saying base station is ready. Do you want to set rover now? So I want to set my rover. I'll press yes. Yeah, that is 5.3 meters. So now I'll press connect. So I'll click this is the serial number for my rover. It's ended at 74, so I'll click it. I'll click yes. Bluetooth connected. So my rover is also connected by itself. So now I'll just click set. So I'm ready like that. So I'll now go to survey. So it now depends on the type of project that I want to be doing or the method of job that I want to do. So if it is take points, you come to this taking out. But I'm doing detailing survey, so I'll just click this point. I'll click detail survey. So this is my base already. So now what I just need to do is go to wherever I want to go, to any point I want to pick. I will toggle this arrow. Then this zigzag is this point. So once I click it, it will tell me if I want to save the point. Once I'm there for a 2, 3, 4, 5 seconds or whatever. So I will press this OK. Once I press OK, it's going to save. It will show you. Okay, let me see what it's going to show you guys. So let's assume I want to save where my rover is now. So I'll just press OK. So it's now telling me, do I want to save it with this point ID? If I don't want to save it with this point ID, I will change it to any preferable point ID. So I want to be using spot heights. I want to use spot heights. So I'll just say SPH1. So I'll press OK. So it has saved the point like that. So but I show you guys that I'm going towards the seaside. Let's bring it. So this is the area that we want to be working on. This is the area I want to be working on. So yeah, go bring ladder. Go bring ladder. Come. Put her there. So we are about to start. Okay, yeah, come. So this is what we do. Let's start from this fence. So we pick these points. Yeah, Emmanuel. So you go the operator. Once you put them here now, see how you go the do them. You need to the pace. Yeah, pick this pace. Yeah, pick these points. So what's next? Press OK. Yeah, it says spot I2, so it's okay. Yeah, just press OK. So you don't save them like that. Here you get. So you'll be pacing 10 meters towards the water, 10 meters to this side. We'll pace 25 meters towards the side. Here you get. Oh, yeah, pace 10 meters. We don't pick this place before. Yeah, pick them. Yeah, okay. So you don't say, yeah, count 10 meters again. Yeah, pick that place. Pick it, pick it. So that's it, guys. So I have a lot of data to pick up because I'm going up to like 2 kilometers. So and that's how I'll be taking it. Yeah, 25. Take pace 25. So that's it, guys. That's it, guys. So I'll keep you guys updated. I'll keep you updated